This is Greg Mikulowski from FXDD. This is a Forex video quick for the Australia versus US dollar. Over the next 12 or so hours, the market is going to have some interest in this currency pair. Why? Because the Reserve Bank of Australia is expected to raise the rates at 12:30 New York time. The expectations are for a rise to 4.25 from the current 4%. The low is 3%. But over the last week, I have seen some data that's come out of the Australia, which has been weaker: retail sales, trade balance, manufacturing PMI index, all came out weaker than expected, and that has put a little bit of uncertainty as far as the interest rate decision here today. From a technical perspective, let's take a look at the hourly chart to start off with, and we do have support at the 91.94 level, currently priced trading at 92.02. If you go back in time, take a look at the high here, high here, high here. Then we started to use it as support there, and then we started to use it again as resistance, support here, resistance here, so on and so forth. 91.94 is going to be a key level. Other level down on the downside is 91.85. That's a 100-hour moving average. As the market is able to get through 94 and then get through the 85 low, we could see the market head on down toward the 200-hour moving average at 91.47. That's on the downside. What's on the upside? Take a look at the daily chart. We have a trend line forming here, taking into consider this high, this high, this high, and currently this high right at the moment. That level comes in at the 92.20, 2022 level, and that level is going to be resistance on the top side. If we break through that level, we could head to 92.51. That's this high right here. Additional resistance comes in at 93.29. This level right here, this corresponds to this high. This is Greg Mikulowski from FXDD.